know you're checking out the front of this rig, and it looks great, don't get me wrong, but you're gonna have to come over to the side to see what we've got on this thing. So over here on the side, we've got our Thumper Fab Elite box Nerf Rails here. These are a super easy bolt-on installation for your 3-seat, for your crew cab, for your Highland edition with the doors, especially when you get that Highland edition. This Nerf Rail not only helps protect those plastic doors, but man, it just gives you a great step up, especially if you got it paired with a roof rack, got some gear in the bed, you just need a step up. It runs the full length all the way, so it makes an easy step up into the bed as well and provides some great rugged protection. So I know you've seen a lot of Nerf Rails that hang really low. What we did with our design, we did not want this to be something that gets hung up on the trail. So our steel box design comes all the way underneath, wraps under, and protects the lower side of the vehicle. Acts as a great skid plate. So if you're getting into the rocky terrain, this is something that's you're not gonna get caught on this step, you're not gonna get, hung up, and this create more of a hassle than it needs to. This is a smooth, nice surface to be able to slide right off of and keep hitting the trail. A huge benefit of these running the full length of the lower panel here provides that great step up. If you need to get to your headache rack, grab some tools off of it, get to your winch hook, get anything out of the bed, it just provides a great step up even in the bed. Not just into the cab, but runs the full length, so check it out. This is on the crew cab model. Great protection for these doors. These doors get pretty pricey, especially when you hit some brush on the trail, a rock, anything that gets into this lower door, it gets pretty expensive quick. So this Nerf Rail comes out just enough to allow great protection of the side body, wraps under, provides that lower protection as well, but still gives you a great step surface to get up and on top of the cab. And yeah, it just looks like it belongs on this U10 Pro. So check them out. For the crew cab, the 3-seat, the Highland edition, we've got you covered. Thumperfab.com, or go find a Thumper Fab dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.